Welcome back to Law Center. I'm Shaheen Noori.
And I'm Dan Cavanaugh, and it's time now for our legal ethics play of the day. Let's take a look at the first one.
So, Miss Petty, how can I help you here today?
Well, the other day, I was driving, and I decided to go to Joann's Donuts and Coffee. And I got one of their new frozen coffee drinks. So I'm paying for the drink, they hand it to me, I start driving away. And I go to drink the drink through the straw. Come to find out, it's freezing.
Isn't iced coffee supposed to be cold?
Well, yes, but this wasn't just cold. It was freezing, frozen, frigid. My head was burning.
Wait, burning?
I had a brain freeze. I had chronic headaches for days. I want to sue.
Miss Petty, this is a slam dunk case. We're going to take Joanne for all she's worth. Donuts, money, and all. We are going to take this all the way to the bank. Every jury member can sympathize with someone who's been intentionally iced.
Foul! Oh, my goodness.
Flag on that play, Dan.
I haven't seen a foul that nasty since the slip and fall of '98.
That's right. Take us back to that
Come
play.
on, Shaheen. You remember the one where the lady tripped over her own feet, fell, and then blamed it on the shininess of the floor. She went out and found a lawyer who told her she was going to get rich.
I do. I remember that one, Dan. Now, that situation and this one right here, clear violations of Rule 4-3.1.
Now, we all know the easy way out of this would have been to tell the client that there's no basis for a lawsuit and that bringing a lawsuit would be time-consuming, costly, and fruitless.
Absolutely, Dan. It can be tempting out there, and everyone understands that, but there are no exceptions for violating these rules.
I know that's right. Break me off another piece of that Kit Kat bar.
Hey, you hear about my latest case? Divorce with the hottie from the toppy.
The mayor's wife?
You know it.
What happened?
Well, the mayor's never home, he's drinking all the time, and he's got disgusting toenail fungus.
Ugh.
Now she's exploring her options elsewhere.
Wait, you two aren't like... No way.
Way.
You're bad.
We're meeting tonight for cocktails at O'Patrick's.
Scandalous, promiscuous. What do you think, Dan?
I'm thinking about Rule 4-1.6 right here, Shaheen. I think even those TV drama lawyers know more about attorney-client privilege.
Absolutely. This is a public space, a coffee shop nonetheless. Anybody could be here, and in this case, it was a reporter.
A reporter, a political figure's wife, and a lawyer. Woo-wee! Either that's a power play or a disaster waiting to happen.
You got that right, Dan. I think these attorneys need to review their professionalism rules and expectations.
I second that. Let's take a look at another one.
Mr. Arthur, you're late. Explain yourself. Mr. Arthur.
Come on, Stan. Get it together.
Arthur!
Holy sh**!
Oh, totally unprofessional behavior.
Wow.
Right?
2 words straight out of the professional expectations playbook. Decorum and courtesy.
Absolutely, Dan. I'll give you another play. Respect for the time and commitments of others. I mean, this attorney should have first and foremost been on time.
Absolutely, and let's not forget that there is no excuse for being rude and disrespectful to the judge or opposing counsel.
Absolutely. The kind of language this attorney used was deplorable. And his actions on the whole were a violation of Rule 3-4.3.
I gotta tell you, Shaheen, looking at the totality of the attorney's actions here, I think he spent his time very irresponsibly the night before.
Wouldn't disagree with you there, Dan. Maybe there's an attorney or law student out there that's struggling with some stress or substance abuse problems. What do we say to them, Dan?
Let's say it together, shall we?
Get help.
That's gonna do it for us here at Law Center today, folks. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.